how to turn on or turn off Creative Studio on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. In the Smart Typing, tap on Creative Studio, and then make sure you tap on the toggle button at the top to turn it on. If you want to disable Creative Studio, you can switch it off. Once it is turned on, you can turn simple sketches into details, images, create images from text descriptions, or change photos into cartoons, paintings, and more. Okay, so that's how you can turn it on. Okay, so to use it, let's use our pen right here. I'll open up the S Pen and open up Note. Then you tap on this pencil icon and choose Creative Studio. In here, you can select an image from the Design Studio. Here we got Create Stickers. And then you can draw, you can do things to it, so we can generate stickers. You can add or change the image by tapping on that. You can use description. And then tap on generate. So we just wait for the image to automatically generate it by AI. Okay, so we add a house to it. You can go back in here and you can create a new stickers. You can draw, so we can draw, for example, a house. Okay, and then tap on done, and then you can write a prompt. So you can write a prompt. And then we can tap on generate. So really it's quite extensive. You can generate whatever you want. It is up to your imaginations. There's no limit of what you can do. That's it. So we've got people in the house. If you want more realistic, then you in your prompt you write more realistic drawing instead of doodle, and that's it. That's how you can turn on Creative Studio, or if you don't like to use it, you can switch it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.